Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Nemeth. I am a periodontist in Southfield, Michigan. This is not about perio, this is about your GI and your general health. So many years ago, I had a bout of colitis, and a wonderful Italian doctor who flew in from New York once a month taught me this diet. So the benefit is primarily fiber, which is incredibly important. You're getting trace minerals, trace vitamins, and many nutrients that are incredibly important, perhaps in trace amounts, but still very important for your overall health. And I just feel that if you have this once every day, which I do, that you're going to live longer and you're going to feel better and you're going to be a healthier person along with a healthy mouth. It can help with weight loss. I don't use it for that reason, but if you're overweight, as you're going to find out from the Reverend, it can make a major difference for weight as well. I'd like you to hear from Reverend Burke about his experience with it. I've told many patients about it, and many of my staff have it in the morning also.
Well, good day. I'm Pastor Ron Burks of the Palestine Baptist Church in Detroit. I was here 7 or 8 years ago for some dental work, and one of the things that we had done in our discussion was ulcerative colitis, which I had and Dr. Nemeth had at one time. And so as a result, he had his office drinking this formula. And it was comprised of a number of vegetables, primarily leafy greens and some tomato, about 7 different items. And I would go to the store and buy those and then blend them, and I would drink it twice a day at least, and in my case for about 30 days. It was just amazing. I lost about 30 pounds, and I was cured of my ulcerative colitis. It was like a miracle, and I'm so pleased and so glad that he was concerned enough about those things that are even beyond the teeth. So as a result, I put together that formula, and I expounded on it to my congregation, and I called it the Hebrew lettuce diet, and I offered it to the members and anyone else who was interested, and a lot of folks are interested for weight loss purposes, and it's been tremendous. It's been tremendous, and I'm still asked for it even these days.
So let's talk about actually how to make the recipe. And I have 3 cups of this every morning. Use approximately half a tomato, and you put that in first. Pieces of tomato. Use approximately half, maybe a little bit less, of a cucumber, and you put that in. And I put those in first in order to get a liquid which will then be used to liquefy the rest of the greens. Then we start adding some of the greens, like the pepper, about half of a green pepper, some celery, a full large head of romaine lettuce, and then I actually use another stick of celery to get this going. Do you not love that? That's actually wonderful to look at, and it's going to be so healthy by the time I'm finished. It's already healthy. Put all the lettuce directly in. It's a lot of lettuce, guys. And we blend blend that up so it's very liquid. It looks perfect, guys. So take a look, just like that, liquefied. Pour it in a cup, and I have 3 giant cups of this every morning. I've already had my 3 for today, by the way. And then I simply hey, the truth is, it doesn't taste wonderful. It's kind of it doesn't have really much taste, but it does have much health benefits. By the way, I'm not saying this is great for everybody. In fact, most physicians will say that if you have colitis, you should avoid roughage. And the only reason that I can have this, and it really cured my colitis, was because it's ground up to the point where it's really kind of a liquid and your body can handle it. But listen, go by what your physician says. I don't want to create any problems. I only know it was very helpful for me. So I hope this was helpful to you. It certainly is helpful to me and all the people that I know that take it, which are mainly my staff members. But it was actually taught to me by an Italian physician who really, in my opinion, saved my life. Because if you have colitis, your life can be miserable. And it was. At any rate, hope it helps you. Keep your mouth healthy. We'd love to hear from you. Comments, questions. And if you try this yourself, let me know in the comments. I'd like to hear about it. Don't forget to subscribe. Healthy mouth, healthier body. Take care. Great day.
Restore your smile and your health. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.